Hey friends, if you encounter this critical error, disk has been surprise removed, event ID 157, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So before anything else, perform a check disk scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command chkdsk space forward slash r space forward slash f and hit enter. Then press Y and hit enter once again. Now, if this helps, it helps. If not, then we can try resetting the computer once. If that doesn't help either, then just change the hard disk. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select recovery, click on reset PC, and then select remove everything, and then select cloud reset. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.